Yes, friends. Next VSQ video number 16 from our series. That is from Dhruva Edutainment Vidu classes. What is our question? Define the spermiogenesis and spermiation. Friends, very important question. Friends, define spermiogenesis and spermiation. Friends, you know spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means formation of sperms. It is called as spermatogenesis. It's a type of gametogenesis. You know gametogenesis of two types, friends. It is spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Formation of sperms is called as spermatogenesis. Formation of ova is called oogenesis. But here I am using two new words. What are those new words, friends? Spermiogenesis, not spermatogenesis, friends. Very important. Friends, it is spermiogenesis and spermiation. These two are the phases of spermatogenesis. You know spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis means what, friends? Formation of sperms from sperm mother cells or spermatogonia. In that spermatogenesis, we have two subphases. What are those two subphases? Spermiogenesis and spermiation. Friends, now come to spermiogenesis. What is spermiogenesis? It is a maturation or transformation of spermatids into sperms. You have to write one word, friends. Maturation of spermatids into spermatozoa is called as spermiation. Friends, here you have to use either maturation or transformation, any one of the word, friends. Next, spermatozoa or sperms, both are same, friends. Maturation of spermatids into sperms is called as spermiogenesis. Maturation of spermatids into sperms is called as spermiogenesis. What are spermatids? Spermatids are the immature sperms. Friends, you have to remember, spermatids are the immature sperms. They don't have tail. We remember it, friends. What are spermatid, friends? Spermatids are the immature sperms. So the transformation of or maturation of immature spermatids into mature sperms is called spermiogenesis. Okay, friends, spermatozoa, sperms, both are same, friends. Please don't be confused, Nana. Spermatozoa and sperms, both are same. Next definition. What is spermiation? Release of mature spermatozoa from Sertoli cells into lumen of seminiferous tubules is called as spermiation. Friends, this is very important. See, when the immature spermatids convert into mature sperms or spermatozoa, these mature spermatozoa attach to the Sertoli cells of the seminiferous tubule. Friends, seminiferous tubule has germinal epithelium as well as Sertoli cells. What is the role of the Sertoli cells? Friends, Sertoli cells nourish the sperm cells. So to get the food, these sperm cells attach to the Sertoli cells. So after acquiring food, after taking food, they are released from the Sertoli cells into the lumen of the seminiferous tubule. See, friends, release of mature spermatozoa from Sertoli cells into lumen of seminiferous tubule is called spermiation. Friends, very important, friends. What is spermiation? Release of mature spermatozoa from Sertoli cells into lumen of seminiferous tubules is called spermiation. See, friends, here simple definition. What is spermiogenesis? Maturation of spermatids into sperms. That's called as spermiogenesis. It is not spermatogenesis. It is spermiogenesis. Maturation of spermatids into sperms is called spermiogenesis. Next, friends, what is spermiation? Release of mature spermatids from Sertoli cells into lumen of seminiferous tubules. Friends, here don't say mature spermatids, you have to say mature sperms or spermatozoa. Both are same friends. Mature spermatozoa from serotolite cells into lumen of seminiferous tubules is called as spermiation. Okay friends, see here, spermatogenesis is equal to spermiogenesis plus spermiation. Friends, what is spermatogenesis? It has two phases. One is spermiogenesis and the other is spermiation. See friends here, first the seminiferous tubule has germinal epithelial cells. It forms mitotic division and it forms spermatogonia. From these spermatogonia we will get primary spermatocytes. Primary spermatocytes are 2n in number. These primary spermatocytes undergo meiotic division friends, and they form secondary spermatocytes. The secondary spermatocytes undergo meiotic 2 division and they form spermatids. What are spermatids? Immature stages without tail, and they convert into spermatozoa or sperms. They are called as what friends? Mature stages with tail. Okay friends, now you see here this image friends. See, this is the lumen of the seminiferous tubule. See friends, these are the spermatogonia, these are the Sertoli cells. These Sertoli cells provide food or they nourish the sperm cells. Okay friends, if they attach, the sperm cell attached to the Sertoli cells, after attachment they get the food from the Sertoli cells and released into the lumen. That is called as what friends? That is called as spermiation. Okay friends, now you have to write only this one friends. What is spermiogenesis? It is a maturation of immature spermatids into mature sperms. Maturation of immature spermatids into mature sperms is called as spermiogenesis. What is spermiation? Release of mature spermatozoa from Sertoli cells into lumen of the seminiferous tubule is called as spermiation. Okay friends, this is about what friends? Spermiogenesis and spermiation. Thank you friends.